Welcome back to Mr. Carr's classroom. Today we're talking civics, how to access your online book. There's a few different ways of doing this, but the easiest way is always starting on the sbac.edu homepage. This is the county's homepage. There's two buttons. There's one right now called the Digital Academy button, which you can log into. It'll take you to the same place as this button down here that says My Portal Digital Academy. You can click either button, and what it's going to do is bring you to a login site. So I log in, and out pops this wonderful My Portal, used to be Edutone. What you need to do in order to log into your book is to find the Connect Ed section. In my tabs, this is under the classroom textbooks. I'll click Connect Ed, and it'll take me to this next page, which will let me choose the book. As you see, I do have a U.S. history book available, but what I want is the civics, economics, and geography. Click on that. Now, this is a little bit different than yours. This is the teacher's edition, so I'm going to have a little bit more information than you will. However, you should be able to find everything you need here. If I click on the student edition, you've got video, you've got maps, you've got pictures. You can click on these, and they will magnify so you can see a little bit better, okay? And if you ever get lost, check out my homepage for step-by-step instructions on exactly what you should do. Also back here on My Portal, you'll also find a button for Canvas and Digital Academy. Both will take you to the same place. Both will take you to all of your classes and courses. Click on Mr. Carr's course, and you will find all of this wonderful information here under the Resources button. So if you ever forget, it is right there. Don't forget, while here, you can also click on My Portal, my YouTube channel, and my website, which will take you to many other resources as well. Thank you so much for sticking with us there. That is how you access your online textbook, your Digital Academy, your My Portal, and so much more is right there. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. #Don'tStopLearning. Mr. Carr is signing out.